Hey YouTube fam, it's Naturally Me Smooches. I am very excited because, bam! You know what this is? This is my prizes from CKane68. I mean, she showed it on her videos what they are, but just the fact that I'm getting a package, because you know I love receiving packages in the mail, because it's almost like it's my birthday, or maybe it feels like it's Christmas or something. So I already know what it is, but I think it's going to be even more special that they came from CKane68, one of the YouTubers that I correspond with, and I got something from her. This was from a package, this is from a contest that I entered of hers a couple of weeks ago for the 70s contest, and I was one of the winners, and I'm so excited that I got my little prizes. I already know what it is, like I said, but it's just more special that I received it in the mail, and I'm personally looking at it instead of looking at it through my computer. So first of all, I got the Nika K High Definition Eyeshadow. This is the purple one. I actually have most of these colors, but I do not have this purple color. So I'm excited that I got this. I actually got a color that I don't have. This is awesome, and purple is my favorite color. And let's see, what else was it? Bam! Purple! I love purple. I'm so glad that I won this choice of from the winners prizes. These are going to be perfect. Purple, purple, purple is my favorite color. It was like I was meant to win this package deal of the prizes because purple is my favorite color. And let's see. Oh yeah, these are the lotions. This is Summer Vanilla Lemon. I believe she said these scents hadn't come out yet. So, and this is Summer Vanilla's Coconut. And this is Summer Vanilla's Berry. So I'm excited about these lotions. I really can't smell them because of the nose issue that I have. I don't really have a sense of smell right now. So but I'm sure, actually, I could smell this coconut. Yeah, I could smell the coconut. Or maybe it's because I know what coconut smells like. I don't know. But I could definitely smell this. Let's see if I can smell the berries. Well, my son usually does all the smelling for me. When I see something, I'll be like, oh, smell this for me. How does it smell? And he tells me how it smells and everything. So, oh, I got a little card, too. Hold up. Look at this. It says thanks. Thanks, Monica, for supporting my first contest, Cynthia. Oh, you're so welcome, CKane. I feel really special. I actually won. You were my first contest I ever won, and I was really feeling special about it. And I'm feeling even more special that I received these prizes. And I want to thank you again, and I look forward to your next contest that you're going to have in the future. So thank you so much. I love you, Cynthia. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And congratulations to the other winners. And talk to you later. Love you. Smooches.